Next, I'm going to show you guys the fake text feature. So right now, I'm going to show you guys the fake text feature. So it's here, and I'm going to go ahead and click it. And then, like normal, we will choose the background of what we want in the video. And then we're going to hit next here on the bottom. And then this time we're presented with different things. We start out on the custom script screen and we're presented with a left and a right person. The person on the left is saying, "Welcome to Short AI for video creation." The person on the right is saying, "This is a preset example content." So, the big picture of what happens is when the video is generated, it will look like these are text messages just coming in on the camera. And so these text messages will come in one at a time. And so we can customize the text here, such as "I have a surprise for you." And so wh- when you notice I changed it to "I have a surprise for you," you notice it also changed over here on the right as well on our preview. And then also, I wanted to show you the other tabs too. So, this is the custom script tag, and this is the AI script. You can also describe your video concept here. And if you don't want to do like a custom script where you have full control, here you can more like describe what you want to happen. And here you can also have the option of pasting your script. You paste your script in this format: person one, "Hello there, person two, hi, how are you?" Of course, you can modify the text to say anything you want, but they want the pasted script to be in that format. And so you have different choices on how you want to do this. And then there's another tab where it says copy existing video. Perhaps you have another favorite video that you like out there that you kind of want to mimic or use as a preset template. You can go ahead and upload that video here and generate the script. And so I'm going to do the custom script. So what I'm going to do is the left person is going to say, "I have a surprise for you." And the next person or the other person is going to say, "What is the surprise?" And then you can add the receiver, and then the receiver can say, which is the person on the left, is going to say, they're going to say, "Come over." And then after that, I'm going to add the sender. And the sender, they're going to say, "What is the surprise?" Because they really want to know what the surprise is. And going to spell that right correctly. And then finally, I'm going to add the receiver, and they're going to say, if I if I told you, it wouldn't be a surprise. Now, would it? And all right, so I'm going to have it like that. And then I'm going to hit next. And then I'm going to choose the theme. They have different themes that you can select from for this feature. So I'm going to choose this bottom right theme and then hit the next button. And then you choose the the voice for the character on the left. You see that this button is highlighted, the person on the left. So you choose their voice first. And let me filter it to be a female voice. And
Hey, my name's Katie, and I'd love to be the voice of your future
and I can select that voice. And then you have to select the right character in order to select the character that's going to be on the right. And it's going to be my boy here, Adam. And so I'm going to go ahead and generate. Well, you can go ahead and generate video, or remember, if you want to add background music, you have to remember to select this background music on. So even if you select the music down here, you have to always remember to hit the background music on if you want music. But anyway, after you select your desired features, you hit generate, and then it takes a few moments to generate. And I took the liberty to go ahead and pre-make this video so that we don't have to wait for the load. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my projects and take a listen to how my fake text video turned out.
Hello, I have a surprise for you.
What is the surprise?
Come over.
What is the surprise?
If I told you it wouldn't be a surprise, would it? Hello, I have a surprise for you.
What is the surprise?
Come over.
What is the surprise?
If I told you it wouldn't be a surprise, would it? Hello, I have a surprise for you.
Yeah, it's a little funny clip there, and I've noticed these kinds of videos going around the internet, and this software allows you to quickly generate these popular kinds of videos in mere seconds, and you can make them very funny. All right, and so I showed you guys the fake text feature. All right, now I'm going to show you guys the dialogue generator. And the dialogue generator is this button here on the far right with Mickey and another character. And here you can also select your background, which we have a selection of Minecraft, which is very popular these days. So that helps your video become more viral. And now you can select what you want these different characters to say in a custom script. And so you can make up like anything you want and then add to the chat and have a story. And then you can also select from these templates, or you can do a custom prompt in order to generate the script. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use fun facts, and I'm going to hit use fun facts, and I'm going to hit generate script. And when you use a custom template, it will generate a script for you. So we have this cat, and you can select from any of these here, avatars here, which you can select Mickey Mouse if you want, and you can have, Mario. And so we have Mario and Mickey Mouse. And so I'm going to stick with those two. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit next. And then after that, you can select the subtitles, which, what are some interesting subtitles here? I would say this bottom left one looks good. I'm going to go ahead and select that. And then after that is, now we're going to select our characters, voices. Let me see if there's like a high pitched voice that it will let me search for. Let me see. Maybe. Okay. Well, we're going to go ahead and select one that is fine. There's different voices with different language. I'm gonna go English.
Hello there. You are listening to a voice that sounds like a typical Indian businessman. This voice can also be used for educational content.
All right. Well, we'll go with that voice. And then for Mario, we can go with, let's see here. Well, if all else fails, I like to go with Adam. All right. So let's go ahead and choose that. And I'm going to go ahead and add background music to this. And remember, you must hit this check mark in order to turn on the background music. And then let's find something we want. Let's see if there's another one. Sure, why not? I'm going to go ahead and select that. And I'm going to hit generate video. Alright, so now it's generating the video. And I'm going to pause the video for a bit and be right back once this video is complete. Alright, the video is ready to try, so I'm going to go to my projects and then I'm going to go to the latest video and I'm going to go ahead and play it for you guys now.
Did you know that in ecosystems
Sorry.
like plants, to consumers like herbivores, and did you know that in ecosystems energy flows from producers like plants to consumers like herbivores and then to carnivores?
Absolutely. And this energy transfer is essential for maintaining balance within the ecosystem.
Right? But what's even more fascinating is how nutrient cycling works alongside energy flow. Ever heard of decomposers?
Of course. Decomposers break down dead organisms, returning nutrients to the soil, which helps plants grow. It's a full circle of life.
Exactly, and without them, our ecosystems would be overwhelmed with dead matter, disrupting the balance.
Speaking of balance, have you ever observed how species interactions can shape an environment?
Yes. For example, predator-prey relationships can control populations and prevent overgrazing, allowing biodiversity to thrive.
And plants adapt over time, too. Some develop defenses to ward off herbivores, showcasing natural selection in action.
Nature really is a master of balancing act. Each element plays a crucial role, creating a complex web of life
It makes you appreciate how interconnected everything is, doesn't it? Every tiny organism has its part to play.
Did you know that in ecosystems, energy
Alright, so that's how that video turned out. And yeah, these are little interesting, fun looking videos. And so this now we are at alright, now I'm going to show you guys the caption generator. And for the caption generator, I need a video without captions that I would like to add captions to. And I have selected this video here that I'm going to use for demonstration. I'll show you the clip here. It does not have captions yet, and I'll play it now.
That's right, we're doing the Pale Garden. Minecraft's latest horror biome came to a shock to most when announced. And when the snapshots came out, I just had to try a 100 days video in this strange new environment. To make things more interesting, I'm gonna make the
So I'm gonna go ahead and use that video to add captions to, and let's see how it does. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and select the caption generator, and you see it's this button here, and then after that it says I need to drag the video that I want to use there, so let me do that really quick. Okay, so I have it here. I'm going to drag it here, and it's uploading. Alright, it uploaded successfully. Alright, and now I'm going to select the caption here, and alright, and let's see, did my video take? Let me put it there. It's uploaded successfully. Generate captions. Claps on if you don't want to wait. Okay, so alright, so I select that. Auto detect language, and okay, once you do that, it's actually generates the video inside my projects. So yeah, that's once you upload the actual video. So here you might expect a button that says generate, but it looks like it actually goes ahead and automatically does it once you upload the video at this point. And let's see, and then when it is finished, let's see, when you click that, it will bring up the video, and now it has a place where we can edit, and then let's see if we can sample it.
That's right, we're doing the Pale Garden. Minecraft's latest horror biome came to a shock to most when announced. And when the snapshots came out, I just had to try a 100 days video in this strange new environment. To make things more interesting, I'm gonna make the whole world the Pale Garden, which will limit my resources significantly.
Okay. I think that turned out very well. And then when you are finished, it looks like you have a save or export button. Gonna hit save, and then I'm gonna hit export, and then it brings up the exporting video. And so right now it's preparing the export, and I'm gonna pause the video for now and come back once it is complete. So once the video is done exporting, you can select download, or you can select posting it to a social media site such as YouTube or TikTok. And please note, if you have captions added to a widescreen video, it will convert it to a shorts video because this program specializes in shorts. And so this is how it turned out.
That's right, we're doing the Pale Garden. Minecraft's latest horror biome came to a shock to most when announced. And when the snapshots came out, I just had to try a 100 days video in this strange new environment. To make things more interesting, I'm gonna make the whole world the Pale Garden, which will limit my resources significantly. That's right, we're doing the Pale Garden.
So, yeah, that actually turned it out very well, and it could be a good preview video to the full length video with very professional and nice looking captions. And you can add captions to any video very quickly like that, and just know they will be converted to shorts format. We've went through these initial tools, and so video to text and text to speech and split screen is coming out soon, so stay tuned for those features. If you want to try this software, please click the link in the description, and it will take you right to it, and you can create an account and start making these high quality, trending, short videos very quickly on your own. And tell me what you think of this software in the comments. All right, and this is Jay Techie. Thanks for watching, and until next time, peace.